So my name is Thorsten Wo. I'm working for the Adidas Group, located in Germany, where our headquarters is. I'm responsible for global payments and also for operational excellence. So global payments means for us e-commerce, in-app technologies, but also point of sale. What I'm talking about on stage today and what is the message for us, the key is really to provide a premium, personalized and connected consumer experience which is seamless and frictionless. And if you're now factoring in payment, what kind of role can play payment? Actually, in the past, it was not always seen as an important key to change the game, but I would say it's fundamentally, because what you need to do is you need to localize the payment setup entirely, but you need to have a setup which is fully scalable and shows an agnostic approach where you build your own payment ecosystem, which is part of the broader digital ecosystem from an organization. Important to mention is we need to build an emotional relationship to our consumers. And how do you really build emotions? Emotions you're building through a direct consumer relation. What's the key? And on top, it needs to be a premium experience. So it needs to be highly tailored, visually stunning, but also at the end of the day, it is important that you understand your consumer target group, to whom are you delivering your message. And it's also the part of payments that you need to highly tailor your payment journey. You need to know what your consumers are demanding and what is the best flow for them, and really to customize this journey, but also across all channels. So it doesn't mean only you have one website experience and another one on the retail side. It's important to have it on the e-commerce side, retail on all touch points which you have, but where it's also like social media, one-to-one direct communications like customer service, also like the messengers, Facebook, WhatsApp, and also mobile applications. I think for Adidas, what is the key in innovations in terms of payments? So we really keep a strong focus on the entire consumer behavior tracking. So we believe we need to go away from static approaches, coming more to dynamic offers to the consumer. It starts to understand the consumer more from his behavior, really to learn from the data from the retail and from the e-commerce side, and really tailor an endless end-to-end consumer journey, which is fully omni-channel ready and is delivering this kind of end-to-end journey to the consumer. Well, what's a good question? What's the future of money? So I believe it's going more without cash. I mean, as I'm coming from Germany, I think Germany is still a high cash company. So the interesting part, it's getting easier to deal with money. So to transfer money from the left to the right side, and also to break those barriers which you still see in a certain way with the traditional banking business. If we are looking into our target group in Adidas, what are we doing for the millennials? So we really see this as one of our strongest target group today. And the key for us is really to understand the target group, to have the right personalized approach for them, and really to bring up the right products, and also to engage with the consumers directly through all the different touch points. What I hope to get away from Money 2020 for me is, of course, getting new insights of the industry. What are the trends in the next couple of years? Because I think, especially in the money area, it's important to talk about innovation, to be innovative, but also to build further a strong network to partners, to suppliers, and to keep that kind of relationships ongoing also after the Money 2020 in Las Vegas.